Forex robots. They trade for you, buy or sell. This robot can take trades while you're still at work, while you're still sleeping, and it might sound so easy to actually use a robot. However, if you do not understand 5 simple steps as to if you're still a beginner, but if you're an advanced trader, you might understand the 5 simple steps that you need to follow to get started in trading. Now, there are 2 steps which are most critical: risk management and strategy, which is the analysis, right? So a robot is not a magic, right? It's not going to just make money for you if you do not understand the risk, the rules of the game. So now, to get started as a beginner, advanced trader who's actually you've been struggling for a very long time now, you've been donating money in the market, you've been losing money left and right. You need to understand how a robot works before you even buy a robot, if you want to buy a robot, because there are some traders who actually go and buy a robot, such as beginners. They buy robots. Reason why: the goal is to make money. They don't want to stress themselves as to learning the chart, learning the game, how it's played. So, for you to actually get a precise way of understanding how the game is played, you need to understand or follow this channel, Puzzle Trader, so that you can actually learn the right information about trading Forex. Now, if you trade Forex, stocks, or commodity, any financial market, you are looking to use a robot, there's a robot that I actually give for free, which is this robot here, Pause Trader robot. It's for free. I've been working on this robot for a long time. Now, this robot, it's simple, pure basic, right? So that you understand. We also have this indicator that actually shows you where to buy, when to sell. But this indicator, it is not a robot. It's just basically, it's going to show you where to buy, where to sell. So if you've been interested into using a robot, first thing you have to understand, what's a robot. Robot, just a basic level. What's a robot? A robot is, since now I've showed you this is an indicator, we can change this indicator to be a robot, which means it can execute trade automatically without us actually doing anything. All right. Now, in order for you to use a robot effectively, you need to understand the strategy involved. Now, I've mentioned the 5 simple steps. All right, I want to go back to the 5 simple steps. Step number 1, you have to get a trading platform if you're still new. Step number 2, you need to get a trading account. Step number 3, you need to actually learn the rules of the game. Step number 4, you need to learn strategy. Step number 5, learning about the withdrawal and deposit method. So this is a trading platform, it's Trader 5, and please take note that the robots, most of the robots, they use indicators, right? Because applying support, resistance, supply, demand, applying reversals, applying breakouts, continuation, pullbacks, applying the high time frame, managing is going to be challenging. So it actually, most of the robots, they use indicators. Some of you might not know what indicators are, so we'll go to codes, go to chart, and then we'll go to the F icon here so that I can show you the indicators. When you go to main chart, you will see what? You will see indicators. And these indicators, they can actually give you a way of trading, such as the moving average. If you can press on the moving average, and then we press save, and then we go back. Now, on the moving average, it will give you, let me zoom in for you. It will give you an entry as to where you should actually take and execute a trade of a sell. Here we have a sell entry here. We have this line here, which is a moving average. We have the candlestick crossing over, which means now we can take a sell. Stop loss goes above there. So we can actually program these to a robot, so that it can actually execute trades. But for you to learn the game, you need to understand structure. You need to understand structure as resistance, where you can trade your reversals, support, where you can trade your reversals, the breakout and retest, where you can actually trade your supply. This you need to do. Now, it's not that difficult, right? And why I'm saying it's not difficult is because there's a basic level of learning a strategy as a beginner. We have an M pattern where you can be able to mark your mark your resistance area above, and mark your W, marking your support area below. And this we can call it double bottom or double top. So it's easier for you to learn the chart, have strategy, apply the strategy, use it. So I'm gonna give the robot for free, and let's actually go ahead into our MetaTrader 5 on a personal computer. Some of you might actually be confused as to what is going on over here. There's just a few things that you have to take note here. We have the market watch. All right, there's another tutorial where I teach you as to learn more about this MetaTrader 5, okay, on a personal computer. So we'll actually cancel this one. Okay, before we cancel that one, let's actually choose an asset. We'll choose any asset that we will prefer for what choice. I wanted us to choose the stock. Okay, some of you might not be familiar with the stock, so I'll cancel that and I'll go to, this is the robot here. Right, now I can plug the robot here, or I can double tap. This is a pose robot. I can double tap like this, and then I will actually allow modification, allow algo trading, and then press OK. And now automatically the robot will actually execute trade. It will check balance, it will check the balance here, it will check the the free margin, okay, which is the same as balance. So once it's actually managed to check that, it will actually automatically check the lot size to use based on the balance. It will use percentage, set the stop loss, and take profit. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. I want us to test the robot so that we can see. So we'll right click, go to test, then we see this window showing up here. First thing is expect advice. Second, symbol, we choose the symbol. We can choose any symbol that we would like. If we like to choose select Vortex 5, we can select Vortex 5. Then we change the time frame M15. We would like to check it on M15 how it performs. Then we go to date, we customize period here, and then we start from 1 January and then up until 30 May. We'll just select that. All right, then we go to forward, we don't change anything here. We go to delay, we don't change anything here. We go to modeling, every tick, and then we actually what, let's actually make this window big so that everybody can see. All right, I want you to see something. Now we have the modeling, every tick, deposit. Let's say our deposit balance is going to be $100, and then it's going to be in dollars, and leverage that we are using is 1:1,000. And optimization, we don't choose anything here, we just leave it like that. We want to make sure that we have visual chart. We want to see the chart. Then we go to input and parameter one. This is the risk management, 0.001%, and we can change here to 0.03%. Then we go to settings, and now we can press start. But I will just make sure that the robot moves. Ooh, it's moving so fast ish. All right, no, let's okay, go back again, press start. I want us to see something here. Now the robot here, as I've mentioned, it's using what is using this moving average indicator. So once it cross over, it's going to take buys or it's going to take sells, and this ATR is going to calculate the way you have to set a stop loss and all that. So I'm going to update the robot and add more information into it, but for now it's just on a basic level for every trader out there to test it out and give me feedback where actually they feel like it's not working. But keep in mind, it's not working for mobile device. It's only for what? For only PC. If you want to use it for mobile device, you need to understand VPS. All right. So some of you will not understand VPS for now, but then we'll have another tutorial anytime soon. So please make sure that you check it out. Now, let's actually press play there. I trust you see. We have a buy 0.04. Stop loss is here, balance is here, equity you see, and margin demand that is needed is here, free margin is this one. So how much we are risking is based on what, 0.059%. And now we'll actually wait until it's actually see if we are making profit. All right, you can trade gold. We took a loss there, you see how much we've lost there. So you can even trade gold. You can trade any financial market that you like of your choice, and let's actually let it run so that we can see how it actually execute trades. Now we can also go to gold. I like gold using this indicator. I prefer gold. So let's actually go to metals, go to gold versus the US dollar, and then press start. All right. Now automatically it will actually be able to execute trades without any difficulty. So let's actually fast forward, and I trust you actually pay attention and you understand what's happening here. So now we are fast forwarding so that we can actually look at the bot in real time while it's actually testing the assets. Okay, so let it move fast. We wanted to do a crossover. It took a while, and we have a trade that is running right now. I trust you can see on gold here. If I can just do like this, you'll be able to see that we are already in profit here. So we have a trail stop also to trade stop the trade. We've got the stop loss, take profit, and now we're sitting at a profit of 5. Equity is 96. We had a bit of a loss. So let's actually let it run. And so there's something that you have to actually take into account when you trade with an with a robot. You have to understand that on a monthly basis, how much are you expecting to make? So you have to check the robot using a demo account, so that you can actually look at how much you'll make in a monthly basis, so that you can check the average amount of money that you'll make. Are you going to double your $100? I trust you can see here. Are you going to double your $100? Are you going to be able to make at least profitable trades in a monthly basis that are going to cover the losses, or what? So you have to actually check that each and every time. So let's actually the loss here was 7, current profit is 48. So if you were using this bot, you were going to get out at this price if you were able to see the profit. Okay, but anyway, we'll let it run and do its thing. But then on a monthly basis, you have to understand that how much are you expecting to make. So we'll just fast forward, since the trade stop is moving to secure the profit, making sure that profit was secured. And it was another day, and let's actually fast forward and to see the month. This is 5 January. From the 5 January, you can see how much you already have in profit. So you can test it out. You can get it for free. And if you're someone who's actually looking to try using a robot, you have to understand what you are looking for in a robot, how the robot will work,